Hi there all you gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is a fab glam eye makeup look with a touch of glitter right in the center of the eyelid. To begin with, I'm using Renee pre-makeup oil. This oil illuminates and enriches the skin, giving a flawless and radiant effect. I'm applying it all over my face and massaging it. This brings a fabulous glow to the face. The product is cruelty-free. This oil hydrates the skin from deep within and also helps to fade out blemishes. And now to create a base on the lid, I'm using a MAC Studio Fix concealer and dabbing it well with a beauty blender. So that the concealer doesn't crease, I'm applying MAC Compact Powder. To begin with the eye makeup, I'm using shade ARDEN from Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. I'm popping in the shade a bit above the crease from the outer corner of the eye, moving towards the inner corner. Make sure you deposit the color little by little and blend it out well. Now I'm depositing shade ARLIN and ZOHRA from the inner corner of the eyelid, moving towards the center of the eyelid, blending it well. To get an intense look on the outer corner of the eyelid, I'm popping in a good amount of shade ARDEN. Make sure you blend it out. Now I'm using shade GEELONG and NUREL. I'm popping in a good amount of it on the outer corner and blending it further, creating a smoky effect. Look how beautiful these colors blend. Blending usually helps all the colors to melt into the skin. And now to soften this look, I am using shade IMELDA. I am now using shade Cat's Eye to color the eyelid from the center of the eyelid, moving towards the inner corner. And once I have deposited a good amount of shade, I'm further going to blend it out with a blending brush. And now to glam up this look, I'm using shade TERRA. It's a beautiful rose gold color. I'm applying a tad bit of it from the center of the eyelid, moving towards the inner corner. This glitter usually glams up the entire eye makeup. I have mixed shade ARDEN and shade GEELONG together by joining the outer corner of the eye and moving below the waterline and blending the shades well with a blending brush. And now to fill in the waterline, I'm using Flicka White pencil. For my foundation, I'm using Dior foundation, covering the entire face and neck. Dabbing it with a beauty blender. This foundation is a lightweight foundation and gives a flawless natural look, leaving the skin all glammed up. I personally just love this foundation. It just seeps so well into the skin, no extra efforts required. And now to contour, I'm using shade Lahar, and for my blush shade Jumeirah and Arden. I'm not going to do a heavy contouring. It's going to be a mix of contour and blush shade. And you will see how beautiful this technique looks once the contour and the blush is blended on the cheek. I have contoured the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, my chin, nose, and blending it with a beauty blender. Look how glammed up the cheek looks with this technique. And now I'm highlighting certain high points of my face, my cheeks, my brow bones, my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Moving on to the lips, I'm using a nude brown family lip pencil. I'm just overdrawing on my lips. For my lipstick, I'm mixing two colors. This lipstick is from Faces in the shade Amrosia No. 60. And I'm mixing it with this beautiful morning glazed shade. After it blends, it gives a beautiful mix of burnt, mauve, orangish, pinkish shade. And to glam up the lips, I'm using satin gloss from Victoria's Secrets. I just love how the entire lip turns out with such beautiful mix of colors. And now I'm applying mascara with my most favorite wiggle and pull technique on the upper and lower lash. I'm using a brow definer to define my eyebrows. Using brown and black shade, defining the tail of the eyebrow, moving towards the tip and forward, giving it mild hair-like strokes and brushing it well with a spoolie. This technique helps to soften any harsh markings. And now for my makeup to stay longer, crease-free, I'm using a translucent powder and dabbing it only on certain areas of my face. This technique is also known as baking. And now let's get glammed up. If you like this look, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on my new video. Thank you for watching.